Pose, pose, trip up, pose. Yes, girl, get it, get it, get it.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Days, and I'm back in another video. So in today's video, we'll show you guys how I get ready for photo shoot. I do hope that you guys enjoy this video, and make sure if you are new to this family that you hit the subscribe button, you like this video, you share it with a friend, and leave a nice comment in the comment section for me. Hey beautiful people, I am back, and I'm in the film room right now. As you guys can see, I have on my first outfit here with some gold heels. Oh, now I'm gonna get the jacket.
Like I said, I was showing you guys how I do my photo shoot. So I have a sponsorship from Romwe. They actually sponsored these outfits. So here I am just using my click button, and I'm just taking pictures of myself using my back camera and my tripod, and also ring lights surrounding me because I need that extra lighting. Now, if you don't want to spend money, getting a professional to have them take your pictures, etc., you can easily just buy a ring light, tripod, and use what do you call those things? A Bluetooth click button. When taking these pictures, you also want to make sure that you use your back camera because that will give the clearest quality for your pictures. You don't necessarily have to look at the camera when you're taking pictures, but it depends on the look you're going for, the angles you're going for, and how you want your photo shoot to come out. I personally didn't have like a style that I wanted to go for. I was simply just winging it, just feeling out the camera, feeling out the vibes, and seeing how I felt at the moment. And I just posed and took those photos. Yes, I tripped up many times in these heels. They're 6 inches, so yeah. So I got tired of taking pictures with the jacket on, and I wanted to go for a different kind of look. So I tried the whole plaid jacket around the waist kind of thing. I just tied it around my waist, and then I tried to take some photos like that. I thought it was cute, but I don't know, looking at it right now, child, what was you thinking, baby? No, this one was not it. What are you doing? Why is your arm doing that? What child? All right, that was a look. That was definitely a look, sis. I love it. The category is live, pose.
Okay, outfit number 2.
Outfit number 2 is this pattern blocked ruche dress with the tie strings on the side, as well as this cropped hoodie. Oh my god, so cute. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a random Dej creating poses that make no sense, but they're also very cute. Ooh, check the little booty behind there. Okay, we see you, Dej. We see you. Don't be breaking your back now. The category is face, baby. Give him face. Give him face. Yes, that beautiful. Okay, split personality then. A little smooch for the unique gang. We love you here. We love to see you. Make sure you drop a heart in the comment section.
Okay guys, that is the end of this video, my get ready with me, and showing you guys how I take my photo shoot video. I'm going to insert some pics right here so you guys can see. Yes, period. Like, look at me. That's me, guys. Wow, that's crazy. Like, really, that's actually me, guys. Wow, isn't she beautiful? Like, isn't she? Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and without further ado, let's get into the outro. Bye y'all.